Hello students, you are welcome in this grammar lesson. In the last lesson we have learned verb and its types. In this lesson we will discuss what is an adjective, how many types of adjectives are there in English, which are they, some activities for practice. Adjective. It is the four parts of speech. First we will discuss definition of adjective. The word which describes noun and pronoun is called an adjective. All the describing words are also called adjectives. For example, good boy, clever student, beautiful girl, big village, etc. In these examples, all the underlined words are adjectives. They describe nouns. Let us make it clear with more examples. Let us revise noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of person, place or thing. We can take Sachin as a person, Pune as a place and ball as a thing. What qualities can we think about Sachin as a person? Sachin is a good cricketer. Sachin is the best person. Sachin is a clever man. Here good, best and clever are the qualities used for Sachin as a person. In the case of Pune, we can say Pune is a big city, Pune is a crowded city and Pune is a famous city. Here big, crowded and famous are the adjectives used for Pune as a place. And in the case of ball, we can say I have a red ball, I have a colorful ball, I have three balls. Here red, colorful and three are the adjectives used for ball as a thing. Let us see an activity. Here you can see some pictures and there are some words around that pictures. Write the pairs of describing words as you can with the help of the pictures and the words. For example, a red apple, an old man, a beautiful flower, a soft pillow, a hard stone, a tall tree, etc. Student, you have to write at least 20 pairs of adjectives with the help of pictures and the words. There are 6 types of adjectives. First, adjectives of quality. Second, adjectives of quantity. Third, adjectives of number. Fourth, demonstrative adjectives. Fifth, interrogative adjectives. Sixth, possessive adjectives. We will study all these types of adjectives one by one. First, we will see adjectives of quality. These are the words that describe the quality of people, animals or things. For example, gold is a soft metal. Adjectives of quality answer the question, what kind of? What kind of metal gold is? The answer is soft. So soft is an adjective of quality. Second sentence, Radhika has a sweet voice. What kind of voice Radhika has? The answer is sweet. So sweet is an adjective of quality. In this way, Sital is a beautiful girl. Gopi has a blue shirt. Nita is the cleverest student in the class. In the above underlined words, describe the quality of nouns. So they are adjectives of quality. Let us see an exercise. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences. She wore a yellow dress. It was a tiny dog. They were sad people. He drove a small car. The blue shirt suited him very well. They lived in a huge building. They sell delicious fruits. We built a wooden hut in the garden. Read all these sentences and underline adjectives. Then we will see adjectives of quantity. Words that describe the quantity of a noun are called adjectives of quantity. For example, some, much, enough, plenty, little, few, any, many, all, whole, etc. They answer the question how much. For example, Mina ate some rice. How much rice Mina ate? The answer is some. So some is an adjective of quantity. Second sentence, Amruta showed much patience. Third sentence, I have enough food. Fourth, she has plenty of wealth. Fifth, there is a little milk in the bottle. In the above sentences, the underlined words some, much, enough, plenty, little are adjectives of quantity. Let us see an exercise. Underline the adjectives of quantity in the following sentences. I have many friends. My friend has much knowledge. There is a little water in the bowl. She spends her time at home because she has a few friends. All his life he worked for the poor people. Have you got any money? Students, read all these sentences and underline adjectives of quantity. Third, adjectives of number. Students, there are two numbers, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. First, we will see cardinal numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these are cardinal numbers. They answer the question, how many? Second, ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. These are ordinal numbers. They are used to show position or rank of something in a list of things. For example, there are two tigers in the cage. The zoo has only one crocodile. We have 32 teeth. 60 inches make 5 feet. March is the third month of the year. I stood first in second unit test. Students, in the first four sentences, underlined words are adjectives of number, and fifth and sixth sentences, underlined words are ordinal numbers. In the above sentences, the words 2, 1, 32, 60, 5, third, first, second are adjectives of number. Underline cardinal and ordinal adjectives in the following sentences and name it. First sentence, Monday is the first day of the week. We lived there for 6 years. The king had 2 twins. There are 30 students in our class. We got second prize in swimming competition. Students, read all the sentences and underline cardinal and ordinal adjectives and name it. Fourth, demonstrative adjectives. These are the words that point out a place, person, or things. They answer the question which. For example, this pen is smoother. Which pen is smoother? The answer is this. So this is a demonstrative adjective. Second sentence, you can take this marble. Which marbles? These. So this is a demonstrative adjective. Third sentence, that girl is very intelligent. Fourth, those men are dangerous. In the above sentences, this, that, and those are demonstrative adjectives. Let us see an exercise. Underline demonstrative adjectives in the following sentences. For example, do you like this shirt? These puppies are very cute. He likes this shirt better than that one. Raju didn't enjoy that movie. Could you give me that book? Read all these sentences and underline demonstrative adjectives. Fifth, interrogative adjectives. The WH word that are used to ask questions are called interrogative adjectives. They always come with nouns. For example, what type of watch is it? Which way shall we go? Whose bag is this? How many rupees did you want? How much water do you need? In the above sentences, all the underlined words what, which, whose, how many, how much are interrogative adjectives. Now we will see exercise. Underline interrogative adjectives in the following sentences. Do you know whose dog is this? Which lunchbox is yours? Which pencil is yours? Whose school bag is this? How many birds are there on the wall? How much water do you need? Read all these sentences and underline interrogative adjectives. The last type of adjective, possessive adjectives. The words that are used to show ownership of noun and pronoun are called possessive adjectives. For example, this is my cycle. Here my shows possession. Second, is this your pen? Her doll is with her. Ketan loves his family. The dog is licking its paw. In the above sentences, the words my, your, her, his, its are possessive adjectives. Let us see an exercise. Underline possessive adjectives in the following sentences. First sentence, Ram left his bat at home. My mother is in the kitchen. This is your book. Is this my pen? Her aim in life is to become a teacher. And last sentence, he goes to school with his mother. Underline the possessive adjectives in these sentences. Let us revise what we have learned in this lesson. First of all, we have learned what is an adjective. We have learned all the describing words are adjectives. How many types of adjectives are there in English? There are 6 types of adjectives. Which are they? We have learned that, and we have seen some activities for practice. Students, you might have understood this lesson. You watch this video again and again. You pause this video and solve all the activities. Thank you.